Vanakkam, all my lovely subscribers. Thanks a lot, guys. First of all, because we just reached 250,000 subscribers. It will not be possible without the support of you guys. I don't take it as 250,000, man. I see it as 250,000. Just 3 more times we do this, we'll reach 1,000,000, man. Thanks a lot, guys, for the continuous support. And today we are going to do one interesting video, man. We are going to do a reaction video. You know what I'm going to react to?
Sunny Leon videos.
Hey, no, guys. Hey, it's a football channel, ra. Thapra. No guys, not that. We are going to react to online football products review. And if this video is getting recommended in Europe and some Europeans are watching this is a Shuddha Desi content, man. You will never get this in Europe, man. You might be a developed country, but this and all you can't do, man. You know this place where buyers and sellers meet. It's a beautiful place and a lot of drama unfolds there. A dumb person who has never used that product actually asks a question. ஏன்னா அவன் அதுக்கு முன்னாடி அந்த ப்ராடக்டை யூஸ் பண்ணதில்லை. ஸோ he asks a dumb question. And instead of the seller, there is another dumb person who has never used the product, but he gives expert advice there. When they both combine, அந்த உரையாடல் இருக்கே அடாடாடாடாடா. So today is all about that, man. It's going to be super fun. But before we start the video, let me introduce you to this video sponsor, OneFootball app. It's an app that's designed for the football fans across the world to get all the latest information about football. If you are from India, you can't watch the Euros in the night. Don't worry, man. Next morning you open the app, you can get all the score updates, who won the match, and also a lot of gossips, man. They have separate app for videos where you can get the information through interactive videos. They also have a separate tab for transfer market where you can get transfer market updates. For example, Sergio Ramos, where he is going to go, no one knows, but once he confirms, first in OneFootball app you'll get the news. It's a free app, guys. It's available both for Android and iOS. If at all you want to download it, I provided the link in the description box. Download it, OneFootball app. We Indians are very negative, man. Before we start anything, no, we will only assess the negative things of it. நம்ம இதில் தோத்துட்டோம் அப்படின்னா how far behind we will go in life. We will only think about that than think about the profit that we are going to make or the advancement that we are going to have in our lives. அந்த மாதிரி ஆன்லைனில் these football products ஆர்டர் பண்ணுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி how negative questions they ask, man. I will read that out for you. இங்கே பாருங்க. First, if the ball goes in water, will there be any bad effects on the ball or something like color will fade or else? Is this ball is blast 2 days, will you give another ball? டேய், முதல்ல உன் பையில காசு இருக்குதா? You didn't even order that football. அதுக்குள்ள அவனுக்கு பாருங்க, will the ball burst in 2 days? 2 daysக்கு அப்புறம் வெடிச்சதுன்னா you will return another ball ஆன்னு கேக்குறான். You want to burst, then buy Diwali crackers and burst. இது என்ன Diwali cracker ஆடா? It's a football, man. Why you think so negative, man? How many years expire? You have just visited this site. அதுக்கே வந்து you have gone to the end point of your career. I don't have time. சொல்லுங்க. I want to really decide how many yearsல expire ஆகும். அது மட்டும் சொல்லுங்க. Is it fake? After how many month or year it will tear? You're so negative, no? Before even we could actually purchase that ball, before even we check the account balance, if we have that amount to buy that ball, we are asking all the negative questions, man. That same psychology we have for all straight of life, man. Someone comes up, we immediately say, டேய், அவன் ஏதோ ஃப்ராடு பண்ணியிருப்பான், கண்டிப்பாக இப்படிலாம் சீக்கிரம் மேலே வர முடியாது. Then we put some case on him, அவ்வளோதான், அவன் நாசமாக போதும். Can I play non-grass ground? Can I play on road? I can play in water? If we really are playing in all these surfaces of ground, we will definitely be not ranked 105th in the world, man. Okay, now let's get into the weird questions that people ask in some of the products. One of the most viral products in India is actually this Nivea Storm. It's a football made in India by a company called Nivea. இதில் பாருங்களேன், what all questions they ask, man. Is the ball round in shape? We haven't played with a oval shaped football. We haven't played with a square shaped football, which means this guy has not watched football. Is it a basketball? What will you answer him, man? Seriously. Next, is it football or tennis? Tennis ball kuda illa. Is it football or tennis? Just tell me that. I want to go coaching right now. Just tell me, I will buy and just go. If it's tennis, then I'll go tennis coaching. If it's football, I'll go football coaching. India is a cricket dominated country, man. And look at the question, man. Can we use this on a cricket pitch? Wow. Hey, in what state of mind this guy is asking this question? எனக்கு புரியல. What is its height? I think this guy, instead of going to matrimonial site for looking for a girl, no, he has come here. He's asking all weight, height. Next, look at this. We can safely kept indoor. Means how much year it will survive with full air. A football has to be bought to play, to train, to be better in football. India has dreams to play the World Cup, man. And there are these guys who want to buy the ball and keep it in the door. and he wants to check even before he buys how much time it will survive with full air. I think he's doing some PhD in air retention of the butyl bladder of the Indian Constitution. And look at this funny answer that this guy has given. 1 cosmic year. That is 250 million years. Thank me later. Football will burn. We have to burn you, man. We have to burn you. Is this useful? Okay, up next we are going to see Vector X attacker football. Okay, this is again a football. So for this we have some amazing reviews, guys. Best football ever. This is worth it. Cheap and the best. And suitable for every situation and every place. You should buy this product, surely. And this Vector X attacker should be used in UEFA Champions League, La Liga, FIFA. It's the best ever. Don't think, just buy it. You like it? It is cheap. Okay, இதெல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் ஓவரா இல்லையாடா? UEFA Champions League, La Liga, too much ready. This is the best question and the best answer. Look at this. Can it get curve? Okay, this guy is asking, can it get curve? Can I hit a curve shot? This guy is replying, sadly no. I gave the ball to Beckham and even he said this ball can't possibly curve. It's due to the shape of this ball. Don't worry, there are other balls too. Don't buy this. Next, look at this. This football is made by 18+ boys. Hey, is it some midnight masala film that they have produced? They have produced one beautiful football to play. At the end, why are you asking, is it made by 18+ boys? The ball is tuberculosis. Guys, with all respect to people who actually can't understand or type correct English, okay? But this is too much, man. This is too much. Hey, I am clearly understanding that you are asking, is there any bladder inside? Tube irukkan nee kekra. But this is too much, man. Hey, tuberculosis. Tube ulla irukka. Tuberculosis. How, man? Custom, guys. Really hard. India will play World Cup. When these guys are around, it won't happen. Avladhan, guys. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. On one side it is entertaining, but on one side if you see, it's so saddening, man, to see all of these comments. இந்த மாதிரிலாம் கேள்வி எப்படிடா நீங்க கேக்குறீங்கன்னு உங்களுக்கு தோணும். I will make another episode on boots. On that they have asked something else, man. That is வேற level. I will make one video on that soon on my channel. So if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you will get notified when I put a video. That's important. And the Euro 2020 is going on in full swing. With Portugal being eliminated by Belgium, I will make a roundup in my style after the round of 16 is over. Especially that Spain's own goal. Hey, it is a legendary own goal, ra. You will forever be remembered for that, man. And all my videos contain a quiz section in the end. And this video also contains one. Here's the question. Which team is Italy taking on in the quarterfinals? Which team is Italy taking on in the quarterfinals? That is the question. Comment your answers below, and whoever comments the correct answer the first will get a shout out on my next video. Avladhan, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. I will meet you guys soon on another video. Until then, signing off, Pradeep.